Should I paint over my stucco?
It is not good to paint your stucco. Painting your stucco, paint is a different material than stucco is. So now you're mixing a stucco system with a totally different material. Painting blurs out the aggregate in your stucco. So the reason why a lot of people choose stucco is because it has these beautiful textures and trowel textures. And when you come in with paint, you're basically blurring all that out and you're losing the natural beauty of your stucco. Painting also makes future repairs more difficult. So it is difficult for us to bind stucco repairs to paint. So if you have an Eve's house and somebody actually accidentally drives into it with their car, we come in and now need to make the repairs. Those repairs are more costly and more difficult because we are now trying to bind paint instead of stucco. And additionally, hard coat systems specifically are meant to weep out water. They are designed to wick water out from behind the system. And when you paint, you're actually locking water in so that the system can't work as designed.